So, what do we got here? We have another wire. Can't believe that. What is that? How does that? We're assessing. Whether or not we're assessing right, I don't know. Okay, well that came off nicely. There we go. Now what? That's for windshield wiper. What else we got? Two very tiny little bolts. Very, very tiny. Are they that tiny? They might be that tiny. Well, let's test what we got here, guys. I chose correctly. You guys are still off kilter. That's my bad. I put you in a very bad place. Oh, come on. Not quite. I gotta be careful because the windshield's broken. I don't want to hurt myself. Okay. Now, that worked. Oh yeah. That's not even coming up, guys. That's how beat up this one side is. Need some real good TLC. Oh. Ah, guys. This is a lot of work. For all you new folks, thanks for showing up, sticking around. Stick around to the end of the show, or video, content, whatever. Check out that video, or that one, or that one over there. Maybe that one up there. Anyways, like, share, subscribe. Comment. Leave me a comment. I'll comment back. My name is Crochet Revolution. It's my baby little channel, which I haven't really actually started because I've been busy playing with cars. Okay, alright. Moving right along. Is that one too? No, that one's slightly bigger. Okay. Well, we can go in our bin. Go where I better just take a look here. Yeah, guys, we're gonna need. Is that the same size? No, not that one. There, 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 and there. All right. That's that front piece for your little heat. You might be able to bend that one back together if you can see right there how it's kind of mangled. We're gonna try. That'll be some future winter content. I'm gonna take a heat gun. I'm gonna play. And if it doesn't work, well, it doesn't work. We'll just get a new one. We'll put that in the box. Now, we need a bigger one. Okay. Whether or not it's good content or bad content, it's content. And you know what? I miss y'all. We need to be going for coffee. Now, what was I doing? Too big. Too big. Alright. Now, that's the windshield wiper motor. That's what that is. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get that off. We need our small one again, guys. If we get this off, it'll be an absolute win. Was it a speedy process? No, not even close. Was it fun? Absolutely. Okay. Now. Oh, okay, well that's brutal. I didn't mean to do it on purpose. But I do need to get in here. Oh, what are you? Not that. What are you? Oh yeah, on my butt. That makes sense. 1, 2. Guys, only see 3. Only see 3. So we're gonna go look a little further into the tools. Maybe it's 11:30 seconds. Still too big. All right. Oh, 5/16, nailed it. Only took us 5 tries. So we're going to see if this will just be nice and come right off. One off. Well, that seems a little easier than I was expecting, but good God, I hope there's only 3 of these for this. Oh, the half-turn marathon. A little bit more here. There's number 2. Put that in our bin. Just like that. Whew. It's hot. Now it's hot. I just use you in there. Like that. No, I need an extension. Oh, guys, I need an extension. Oh, at least I'm getting my steps in. That one will do. Okay, got that one. Okay, now looks things. I got 1 bolt back here, guys, and then that one's off. We can call this a win. Okay. guessed right. All right, now it's going to be difficult. We'll bring that just in case. Come on. Aha. All right. Ooh, wires. All things considered, between the front and some of this, I think it's been an absolute win. So, thanks for watching. Oh, lost my remote. Found it. Have a great day.